Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the POCO F7 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. So basically there are a few methods how you can create a backup. I'm gonna show you both of them. So first we need to go straight into our settings. And now in here we need to simply type backup. Okay, the first option, backup and restore. And now in here we have the local options, the Xiaomi Cloud and the Google Backup. So when it comes to the mobile device, in here you can also backup and also restore. And here you can select which items you want to backup. So for now it is available only the other system app data and the third-party apps and app data. So you don't need to backup all of them. In here, when you click on one of those options, you can select which specific apps you want to save. And same with the third-party apps and app data. Okay, so once it's done, simply click on backup. Click on got it. Okay, and now the process has started. Now we need to wait until it gets to 100%. So we need to be patient, but it shouldn't take much time. Okay, 85, 90 and 100. Okay, so now let's click on finish. Okay, also you have option how to do it on computer right in here. I don't know, but in my case it doesn't want to work. I don't know why. Okay, next thing is the Xiaomi Cloud. So we need to enter it right in here. But remember that you need to be logged in into your Xiaomi account to have access to the Xiaomi Cloud. Okay, so as you can see we have 5 GB in the cloud for our data. And now we need to click on backups. In here you can also enable the automatic backups. As you can see it requires connection to Wi-Fi, battery power at least 50% and the screen turned off. So if you want you can enable it. And also we have something called backup schedule. So in here we can select how many times the backup will be automatically made. You can pick every day or every 7 days. I'll just leave it on every 7 days. And now you need to simply click on backup now. Okay, now the process has started, as you can see right in here. Also, I'll tell you that it is good to have a few backups, a few methods, so it will be the most safe way. Okay, 90%. It seems like it lagged, but it should go within a few seconds. So let's keep on waiting. Okay, backup successfully. You can see it right in here. Now simply click on done. And now the backup is stored. And the last option is the Google Backups. So again, simply click on backup. You can see on the top of the screen the account storage, our Google account that we are currently logged into. And always remember that when you will be setting your phone, your next phone, remember to enter the same Google account. And don't forget the password to it, because when we will back up our data into this account, only there it will be stored. So when you will be setting your phone, remember to enter this, to log into that Google account. Okay. Also below we have the backup details such as apps, photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings and the Google account data. And you can also, in the advanced settings, enable backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data. It is up to you. Okay, but here, make sure that the backup by Google one is enabled right in here. And now we need to click on backup now. Okay, now we can see this thin little bar under the backup. And once it will go into the opposite edge of the screen, it will mean that your backup has been successfully made. So now we need to wait until it gets to the right side and let's just simply wait. Okay, and you can see it on the bottom of the screen that your data is backupped. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.